luckily for me, I was meant to have them, and usually I have a big foot, like I'm the mother of all feet. Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Visi. If you're new here, welcome to the team, and if you've been with me, thank you for sticking with me. Today's video is just about, well, the usual, the casual kidding, but it's about unboxing my first ever designer purchase. So today's video is about unboxing my first ever purchase. Yay! Drum roll please. And thanks to factory outlets. So how I came to know about these factory outlets was through my friend Lax. She said, you know what, there are these factory outlets where you can get cheaper clothes, cheaper shoes, bags, name it, from designers that you would normally not be able to get, but because they are at a factory price, if you know what I mean. But that was new to me because where I come from in Uganda, we usually don't have such establishments, let me say. So when she told me that, hey, you can get this kind of designer shoe at this kind of price, I was just like, girl, let's go. And indeed we went. So let's get into the video. So what I picked out was, I picked out the Stuart Weitzman over the knee boots, and I was looking for these boots for a very long time, and I wanted to get them from my usual stores, you know, the ones that I usually can't afford. And these are Pretty Little Things, Misguided, Love Red Official, Public Desire. That's where I usually shop my shoes, and that's very reasonable. Like, it's usually less than 100 Canadian dollars or less than 100 pounds, UK pounds. And so when I came across this, I was just like, oh my god, and it was such a good deal. I said, you're coming home with me. Anyway, let's get into the unboxing bit of the video. Okay, so the shoes come in this blue. Okay, so the shoes come in this blue packaging. I think the blue and pink is their like theme. And these boots are very popular. My friend Lax actually told me, because she has a very prestigious job that I won't talk about, but she tells me that her clients usually wear these kinds of shoes, and I was just like, oh, nice. She said these are one of the best shoes on the market. And I was honestly looking at these shoes and I knew the price. I couldn't afford them. Like, usually the price is like 1,300 Canadian dollars, and I was just like, no way. How can I afford a shoe for that price? Honestly, I can't. So it comes in this box, in this blue box. So I'll put this away, and in this blue box, as you can see, I'll just put it here in this blue box. It will come in with an extra tissue paper. So you can see the theme box is like this, and this is the tissue paper. Of course, I was so excited. I already tried on these boots, but I had to repack them just so I could share this moment with you guys. Yeah, so anyway, and this is how it comes, and it comes with this cute pink dust bag. Yeah, so because the kind of shoes that I got, there were two options. There was leather and then there was suede, and honestly suede looks way better than leather. And you know, when leather gets old, there's a way it doesn't look good with these kinds of boots. Like, it looks good with other vintage kind of boots, but these particular boots wouldn't look good in leather. For me, that's my preference. So that's what I got, and this, I'll be using this dust bag. Sometimes they give you a small dust bag for these boots, or you can get a longer dust bag. So I got the longer dust bag, and then it also comes with this it's like a buffer for the suede. I think this is what you use, like, in case you go out and you have to dust off the shoes. Anyway, now the big awaited moment for me to show you my cute shoes, my cute boots. So this is what we have right here, and I'm going to just insert a video of me wearing these gorgeous shoes so you see what exactly I am talking about. back to the video. These I'll just bring the shoes closer in case you're wondering what the shoes are. So I like that they have this part of the suede, and these are just you just pull them on. There's no like zipper or any outlet for you to try on the shoes first, or laces or anything of that sort. So these are shoes that you will just slip on. And luckily enough, like personally, I got the perfect size, and this was the only size actually left in store. Luckily for me, I was meant to have them, and usually I have a big foot, like I'm the mother of all feet. So when I found this pair, it was like a sign. Anyway, so it also has like this cloth like material, which I think makes it sense since they're slip-ons. And one thing that I like about these, they are not slippery, like they have this grip where you step in and you're not going to slide. And then my friend Lux actually advised me and says what she does for usually for her clients is she makes sure that she goes and gets these heels fixed before you actually step out with the shoes on the street, because the moment you do, you're going to damage this suede, most especially for suede. So she told me to first take these at a designer, at a cobbler. I don't know how they call them here. I haven't been at like fashion repair shop, so that's what I'm going to do. Anyway guys, that is it from me. You need to subscribe, leave a comment or a like, a thumbs up. If you haven't liked it, leave a thumbs down. That's still engagement to me, and I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Till next time guys, bye. So guys, I have these extra videos that I've recorded. Check them out and let me know what you think.